to my channel. Today we're gonna do some nails.
Hey y'all, welcome back. Go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and we're gonna jump right on into things. Today I've already filed my nails a little bit and then I did some primer and I did dehydrator, then primer, and then I did the base gel and cured it for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna come in with my nail forms and I'm just gonna jump right into things. So I ordered these from wish.com about 2 months ago. It took about a month for them to come in. They're $1 a piece. I saw them on Long Hair Pretty Nails channel. So I was like, let me try them out and see. You know, it won't hurt. It's $1. So this is the soft white, I believe, or milky white. I'll put it in the description box. But anyways, I'm coming in with that. Today I wanted to do some like boomer nails. What do you call them? Like baby boomer, whatever. But I want to try them out and see how they came out. So I'm using that on my tips, and I tried to go ahead and just form the shape first, and then I would cure for 30 seconds because these cure very quick. Now that is what I do like about them. They're super soft, they're easy to work with, and they cure so fast. So anyways, I decided to come in with the pink, but when I put it on, I just didn't like it next to my skin tone, so I switched out and I came in with the nude, which actually looks more pink to me, but whatever. So right here, I'm just kind of cleaning off that pink color and coming in now with the nude. So I'm just going to take my time today and work through this. And I'm just going to come back at the end of the video. So y'all just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright, so after I cured everything and I was done, I came in with some Macart light pink to encapsulate my nails, and I loved it because it's sheer but it has a hint of pink, so it blended that line perfectly. Like, it made it look so much better. So I cured that for 60 seconds, and then I went ahead and file shaped and buffed all of my nails off camera, and that's it, y'all. I really love this set. I'm like, okay, you know, I normally don't do them this short for everyday use, but I'm liking them. So I'm just gonna keep practicing and keep working. So y'all let me know in the comments what you think of this set, and also let me know what you want to see next. But anyways, at this point, guys, I'm just putting some top coat gel, and I cured that for 30 seconds, and then I come in with some Magic Mane oil from Parker J's as my cuticle oil, rub that in, and that's it. That is a wrap. So yes, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in again. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on my next video.